गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट. सुप्रभात. ऑनलाईन शिक्षण मध्ये आपल्या सगळ्यांचा स्वागत आहे. तुम्ही घरी बसला आहात तरी सुद्धा तुमचं शिक्षण सुरू आहे. तुमचं काही नुकसान न व्हावं म्हणून मी जरीना अब्दुल रहमान परकार म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ ग्रेटर मुंबईची शिक्षिका, शाळा कस्तुरबा क्रॉस रोड नंबर 2, मुंबई पब्लिक उर्दू स्कूल, बोरिवली ईस्ट, तुमचं सेकंड सेमिस्टरमध्ये हार्दिक स्वागत करत आहे. आज आपण 8th स्टँडर्डचं पहिली इंग्लिशची पोयम वाय ही आपण समजून घेणार आहोत. मुलांनो, आपल्या दिवसाची सुरुवात आपण एक चांगल्या कोटेशनने करूया. सो विल स्टार्ट विथ अ गुड कोटेशन. बघा, हा मुलगा तुमच्यासारखा एक आहे. क्युरिओसिटी इज द इंजिन ऑफ अचीवमेंट. प्रत्येक मुलाला एक क्युरिओसिटी असली पाहिजे, कारण तेच तुमच्या जीवनाचं अचीवमेंट करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला मदत करते. तुम्ही जेवढे जिज्ञासा तुमच्यामध्ये असेल तेवढेच तुम्ही प्रत्येक वस्तू जाणून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न कराल, आणि हीच पायरी आहे तुमच्या अचीवमेंटची. सो we start with this beautiful quotation. So, what are you going to learn today? You are going to learn new words, expressions, and enrich your vocabulary through reading. Student, you are going to enhance and improve the questioning skill. You have seen the name of the poem is itself a questioning word. So, you are going to understand the need to be curious and ask valid question. This is very important. प्रश्न विचारणं फक्त महत्त्वाचं नाहीये. You should ask valid question. So you will get a accurate answer. And त्या आन्सरवरनं तुम्ही तुमच्या जीवनामध्ये पुढे काय करायचं आहे अशा प्रकारचे तुम्हाला प्रश्न विचारले पाहिजेत. So we begin with our poem, Why? So can you see, this child is like you only. He's so curious and he's asking so many questions in this poem. So this poem is written by an unknown poet. Poet name is not mentioned over there. So the poet is saying that I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by and by. So he is asking so many questions. See, the formation of question is why this, हे कशाला आहे, why that, ते कशाला आहे, why then, मग असं कशाला आहे, why now, आत्ता कशाला आहे, why not, का नाही असं, why by and by. and सारखं तो why विचारतच असतो एकांमागे दुसरं. So he is very curious, and this type of child is doing lots of progress in their life. So see, what are the questions asked by the child? He want to know why wood should swim. See, this log of wood is swimming on the water. So he wants to know why wood should swim. लाकूड वरती का तरंगतं. Why lead and marble sink. मार्बल्स म्हणजे आपण ते गोट्या खेळतो नाही का, त्या मार्बल्स. लेड एक मेटल आहे. तुम्ही विज्ञानामध्ये बघितलं असेल, सतीश सरांनी शिकवलं तेव्हा मेटल्स असतात ते काय होतात, पाण्यामध्ये सिंक होतात. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो वाय वूड सिंक्स अँड मार्बल अँड लेड सिंक्स. सिंक्स मध्ये पाण्यामध्ये खालती जातं. Why Stars should shine. Stars shine का करतात? And wind should blow. हवा एवढी जोरात का चालते? बघा हव्याने किती पानं सगळी उडाली आहेत. हव्याने वादळ पण होतो. So why wind should blow? And why we eat and drink? आपल्याला खाण्याची आणि पिण्याची गरज का आहे? Why we eat and drink? So see how many questions he is asking. He is so curious. See, he is so curious to know all these questions. Okay, now let's see what next he is asking. He wants to know what makes the cloud. See all the clouds. Now you have seen the rainy season before this. So before rain, clouds comes. So he wants to know what makes the clouds. Clouds कसे तयार होतात? तुम्हाला जॉग्रफीमध्ये मॅडमनी शिकवलंच आहे. संख्या मॅडमनी क्लाउड्स कसे होतात आणि कशा कशा प्रकारचे क्लाउड्स असतात ना. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. See, they are crossing the sky. See, all these clouds are crossing the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hill? Sun संध्याकाळी जो आहे, the sun is sinking behind the hill. It looks like sinking. It is not sinking actually, but it looks like sinking. Sinking म्हणजे तो पर्वतांच्या मागे जातो आणि मग तो गायब होतो. So he wants to know why sun sinks behind the hill and why the flowers die. Flowers सकाळ झाली की उगवली सूर्याच्या सोबत कितीतरी फुलं फुलतात, पण फुलं सुद्धा मरतात. So he wants to know why flowers die. See, this is a beautiful rose flower is also dying, and see all these flowers are also dying. So these are aster flowers. So why these flowers are dying? So everybody has end of their life. So he wants to know that. Now see how many other questions are those also there in the mind of the child. He wants to know why wind should come from out the bellows nose. So now see, this is known as bellows. See how it works. आपण गावी असतो ना, तेव्हा चुल्यामध्ये फुंकण्यासाठी, आग जलवण्यासाठी फुंकणी आपण वापरतो की नाही? आपण फुंकणी वापरतो, पण कितीतरी अदर कंट्रीज मध्ये हे बेलोज वापरलं जातं. तर हे बेलोज दिसतं कसं बघा, हे असं दिसतं आणि ह्याला हाताने असं दाबलं जातं आणि मग ह्याच्यातनं अशी हवा बाहेर येते. ही हवा बाहेर येते ना, अशी हवा बाहेर येते. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो why wind should come. Why wind should come from out the bellows nose. This is bellows nose and the wind is coming out of the bellows nose. See, आता असं दाबल्यानंतर ह्या नोज मधनं हवा बाहेर येते. This is bellows nose. And why pop guns should go pop. ही पॉप गन आहे, तुम्ही लहान असताना खेळत असाल, अजून पण खेळत असाल. दिस इज पॉप गन. अशी इथून ट्रिगर दाबला की ह्याच्यातनं बघा अशी पॉप निघते, पॉप होऊन ते बाहेर निघतं. खूप प्रकारच्या पॉप गन्स असतात. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो वाय पॉप गन शुड गो पॉप. अँड ऑल्सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो द ओशन एब्स अँड फ्लोज. एब्स अँड फ्लोज म्हणजे हे समुद्राचं पाणी जे आहे ते इथून किनाऱ्यापर्यंत येतं आणि परत जातं, किनाऱ्यापर्यंत येतं, परत जातं. So he wants to know why water of the ocean is having ebbs and flows. So I will give you some extra knowledge that because of this ebb and flow, we are producing electricity out of it. So somebody, हा मुलासारखं कुणीतरी विचार केला असेल की असं पाणी येतं जातं, त्याने आपण काहीतरी करू शकतो. So now we are generating electricity out of this. So now see next what is going to. So that is known as wave electricity. Okay, and that project is Enron project at Dabhol. Okay, so now we'll see what next he is asking. Still, he is so curious. He has so many questions in his mind. He wants to know why fish have gills. So you might be eating fish. So these are the gills of the fish. See, this is a picturization. And if you want to see original fish, see, this is a original fish gills. These are the gills of the fish. These are the gills of the fish. So he wants to know why fish have gills. See, we have lungs for breathing. So fish has gills for breathing. So you might have learned in the science. And why boys cannot fly. Boys, here boys word refers to any human beings. Any human beings. See, can any human being fly? No, because they don't have wings. For flying, we need wings. So now there are so many artificial wings humans are applying and they are flying now. So they are the gliders and all. So without that, boys or any human being cannot fly. So this is a cartoon picturization. This is only an imagination that boy can swim, boy can fly. So here we have to keep in mind that any human being cannot fly because they don't have wings. So he wants to know why boys cannot fly. Here boys is referred to human being. Okay. Now next question is why steam comes from the kettle spout. See, this is a kettle spout. This is a kettle and this is a kettle spout. So when we keep the kettle on the flame, this kettle don't have steam out of the spout like that only. It should heat it. So when we heat the kettle, the steam comes out of the spout because it is closed from all over. So steam is coming from the kettle spout. So he wants to know. He's a small child like you. And again, he wants to know rain falls from the sky. How this water is coming from the sky? From where this water is coming? He wants to know. Rain falls from the sky. So many questions he has in his mind. Now you have some answers with you through geography and science. But still you might have so many questions like this boy. Now let's see what so many questions he has in his mind. Again, he wants to know why coal should burn. You might be knowing there are two types of coals. One is charcoal and one is coal. So charcoal is made out of wood. Charcoal is made out of wood. And this coal is, it is a type of stone. तर तुम्हाला माहिती असेल की एक लाकडाचा कोळसा असतो आणि एक दगडी कोळसा असतो. तर हा दगडी कोळसा आहे. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो की हा दगडी कोळसा आहे तो कसा पेटतो. मग अँड नॉट अ बिट ऑफ स्टोन. नॉट अ बिट ऑफ स्टोन. हे स्टोन्स आहेत, हे पण दगडच आहेत. मग हे का नाही पेटत. हा दगडी कोळसा आहे तो कसा काय पेटतो. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो दॅट. Then there is a difference between this coal and this stone. This is ordinary stone, pebbles, right? And this is a coal. So he wants to know the science behind it. He wants to know how seed gets in the apple core. So this is apple core. Core म्हणजे कुठल्याही वस्तूची एकदम मधली जागा, आतली एकदम. जसं तुम्ही अर्थ कोर बघितलं असेल जॉग्रफीमध्ये ना, जमिनीच्या एकदम मध्यमध्ये खूप लावा आहे, आग आहे. तसं ह्याला माहिती पाहिजे की वाय सीड्स, सगळ्या सीड्स ज्या असतात त्या कुठल्याही फ्रुट्सच्या कोरमध्ये, ॲपलच्या कोरमध्ये का आहेत, कशा त्या गेल्या आतमध्ये. हाऊ सीड्स गेट्स इन द ॲपल कोर अँड मॅरो इन द बोन. सी, दिस इज अ बोन मॅरो. आपल्या हाडांच्या मध्ये असं एक द्रव्य गुदा असतो आणि हा गुदा ह्याच्यापासनं आपले सगळे ब्लड सेल्स तयार होत असतात. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो हाऊ दिस मॅरोज आर देअर इन द बोन. हे बोनच्या आतमध्ये हे कसं काय असतं. ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो दॅट. See, so many questions he has. These are so good questions. He wants to know that coal should burn and not a bit of stone. How seed get in the apple core and marrow in the bone. So this is a very big science. Now, still he has so many questions. So he wants to know why ice should melt. So you might be knowing that when you take out the ice from the refrigerator, it starts melting. See, it's melting. So he wants to know why ice should melt. And again he wants to know why spider eats the fly. See, spider is also such a small insect, and flies, the spiders are eating flies. So he wants to know how such a small insects are eating this type of insects. So he wants to know why spider eats the flies and why bees should sting, and bees should sting. Now you can see clearly over here, this is a sting left by the bee. See? And because of this we are getting irritation and the area gets red ना. तुम्हाला माहिती असेल मधुमक्खी चावल्यानंतर आपल्याला तिथे किती जोरात दुखायला लागतं आणि खाज येते, बिकॉज ती मधुमक्खी जी आहे ती अशा प्रकारचं स्टिंग आपल्या स्किन मध्ये सोडते आणि तिथे मग पूर्ण लाल लाल होतं आणि आपल्याला खूप तिथे झोंबायला लागतं, आग होते है ना. सो because of this sting we are getting that irritation. So he wants to know why bee should sting. बी अशी स्टिंग का सोडते आपल्याला, and why the yeast should make the dough to rise. ईस्ट टाकल्यानंतर बेकरीमध्ये तुम्हाला माहिती असेल किंवा तुमची आई घरामध्ये काय बेक करत असेल तर तुम्हाला माहिती असेल, डॉ म्हणजे हे आपण जे पिठाचा गोळा करतो त्याच्यामध्ये जर ईस्ट टाकलं तर ते डॉ जो आहे तो पिठाचं पीठ जे मळलेलं पीठ असतं ते पूर्ण असं वर येतं, ते फर्मेंटेड होतं, त्याला फर्मेंटेशन म्हणतात. तसं आपण इडली वगैरे करताना पण करतो की नाही, इडलीचं पीठ आपण वाटून ठेवतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये ईस्ट टाकली की सकाळपर्यंत इडलीचं पीठ जे आहे ते असं वर येतं एकदम. तर त्याला कळलं पाहिजे की हे असं का होतं, वाय ईस्ट शुड मेक द डॉ टू राईज. असं वर का येतं हे ईस्ट टाकल्यामुळे डॉ. ठीक आहे. आता हे बघा, हे तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, स्टिंग कशी स्टिंग बघा आपल्या स्किन मध्ये राहते ती आणि त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला ती इरिटेशन होतं आणि खाज वगैरे येते. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो व्हाय ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर हॅपनिंग. Some of his whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. What poet is saying? की त्याचे जेवढे पण वाय आहेत ते आन्सर, त्याचे आन्सर मिळण्यासाठी एवढं काय डिफिकल्ट नाही आहे. बट काय आहे, इफ यू विल ट्राय. दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट वर्ड. इफ यू विल ट्राय, तुम्ही जर प्रयत्न केला तर तुम्हाला पण बऱ्याच वायचा आन्सर मिळणार आहे. आता या पोएम मध्ये जेवढे पण प्रश्न आहेत त्याचे वायज त्याचे जे क्वेरीज आहेत, if you start finding, you will get the answer. And nowadays it is not that difficult. You can go on Google, you can go on internet, and you can find your whys. So but other, no one ever yet has found the reason why. But काही काही whyचे त्याच्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं अजून पण सापडलेली नाही. तर असं नाही आहे की जो पण प्रश्न तुमच्या डोक्यामध्ये येतो त्याचे सगळ्यांचेच उत्तर असतात. There are some questions where we yet have not found the answer. Yet म्हणजे अजूनपर्यंत. Yet म्हणजे अजूनपर्यंत आपल्याला त्यांचे आन्सर्स मिळालेले नाही आहेत. पण people are trying. People are trying. So you have to try. असं नाही की आपल्याला कुठल्या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर नाही भेटलं तर त्याला सोडून टाकायचं. हां, सो वी शुड नॉट लीव. वी हॅव टू ट्राय अगेन अँड अगेन. So see, this child is so cute like you, and he has so many questions in his mind. So I know even you are better smart like this child, and you might have so many questions in your mind. So what you have to do, you will write the questions whatever are there in your mind, and you will ask your teacher or the concerned person who can answer your question. Now let's recall. So many words have came in the poem. So I have taken all the words from the poem, and you have to say the action words for that word. I have given example for 2 words. आता तिथे होतं wood. तर woodच्या साठी action word काय होतं? So from the poem, from the poem, you have to find out the action words for all these words. See, I have taken out some words. So, for example, for wood, there is an action word swim. ते लाकडाचं ठोकळं नाही का पाण्यावरती स्विम करत होतं. हां, हर्षद सुळे, I know you know the answer. So, don't be so excited. I will ask you. And marbles, for marble, there was a word sink. Now, Harshad, can you say what is the action word for stars? Yes, Harshad? Hello? Harshad,
Shining.
what is the action word?
Shine.
Very good. Very good. Excellent, Harshad. So, there is a shine word for the star. Now, what was the action word for wind? Prasanna? Yes, you can answer, Prasanna. What was the action word for wind? Yes, anybody?
Flow.
Yes, very good. Excellent, Prasanna. So,
Harshway.
okay, Harsh only answered. Okay, very good, Harsh. There is a action word blows for wind. Now, can you say what is the action word for sun? Sun? You might be having textbook with you.
Sunshine.
Yes, very good. Excellent. So there is an action word for sun is shine. Shine is there. But here in the poem, sun is shining. You are right. But in the poem, there is a sink word. The sun is sinking behind the hills. Right? Okay. Very good. Now, what is the action word given in the poem you have to say? Flowers. What is given in the poem for flowers? Flowers are
Dying.
Very good. The flowers dies.
Harshwe.
Very good, Harsh. Very good. Harsh is giving lots of answer. Very good, Harsh. So other people can also try, right? What is the action word for ocean? Oh, what is the action word for ocean? Yes, Prasanna?
Ebbs.
Ebbs. Ebbs and flow. There were two
Float.
action words. So we can write any one out of it. Ebbs. Now, next
Flow.
is, yeah, flows also you can write and ebbs also you can write. Now, what is the action word for dog? Preeti Rathod? Yes, Preeti? Prasanna, you can say, what is the action word for dog? It is rise. Action word for daw is rise. Okay. ते पीठ असतं त्याला खमीर टाकल्यावर ईस्ट टाकल्यानंतर ते राईज होतं ना, वर येतं. सो इट इज राईज. Now, what is the action word for rain? Rain in the poem? Yes? Yes, Janvi Shinde?
Falls.
Yes, very good.
Harshwe.
Excellent. Rain falls. Very good. Now, what is the action word for eyes in the poem? Yes.
Melting.
Who is this?
Harshwe.
Harsh Sule. You give chance to other people also. Harsh. Wait. Ruchi, you can answer next one. So very good, Harsh Sule. Excellent. You are going well. So there is a melt word for the eyes. Now, what is the action word for bees? Yes, Ruchi Patil. Soham, you want to answer? Soham, what bees are doing? Yes. Can anybody answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say.
Sting.
Sting. Excellent. Very good. So bees are, they are leaving sting in our skin, like. So we have seen the video. Now, for what is the action word for coal? Yes, Rasika. Janvi Shinde.
Burn.
Burn. Very good. Excellent. So all these are action words for the words given in the poem, right? So we must know this is a part of English language where you know the action words. Okay. So action words are known as verb. They all are verb. So action words are verb. So here we have seen the verbs. Now let's see. This will be your assignment. So you might have seen in English grammar lesson, in types of sentences also we have done WH question, which is taken by me only, types of sentences. And WH question, different part is taken by Anuja ma'am. So you know very well what is WH questions. So you have to find all the questions arisen by the boy in the poem. So many questions was there in the mind of the boy of the poem. So you have to find out all the questions. You have to frame in proper manner. The questions are there in the poem. So at some places, there is a double-barreled question. Okay, at some places, there is a double-barreled question. So in one question, there are two things asked. See, I will say you like the line in the poem, you can see, he wants to know, see here, the star should shine and wind should blow. You can see in the poem, there are so many double questions are there in the poem. He wants to ask in the poem. So this type of questions are known as double-barreled question. Okay. Yeah. See here. See, this is a single question. Why lead and marble sing? This is a single question. Why lead and marble sink? But this is a poem, therefore there is no question mark after it. So this is your job now. What you have to do, what is your assignment? You have to frame question with question mark. So how many questions are there in this poem? Now here I want to show you why stars should shine. This is one question. And here you can put again why. Why wind should blow? Then question mark. So for this one question, you can frame two questions also. Or this is whole one question and it is known as double-barreled question because there are two things asked in one question. Okay. So both the ways, either you can frame separate question for this, or you can frame a whole question which will be double barreled question with question mark. Okay. So likewise, you can see so many questions are there in the poem. So you can frame a lot of questions from the whole poem. So this is your assignment. You have to frame as many questions you can find out in the whole poem, which was asked by that curious boy. Now, this was asked by the curious boy. Now see, you are also curious student. So you have to frame questions whatever there in your mind other than this question. So that question you have to keep, frame and send it to your concerned teacher, or you send it to me or Gaude sir. So like you can find out the why fan is rotating, like so many things are there around you, why birds fly, right? So why we can have all these things on internet, how we can see all these things over here on the screen. You are so far, still you can talk to me. So many questions are there which are related with technology, which are related with the nature, right? How Holgunde sirs are asking so many questions in history. So you can ask historical questions. They can arise in your mind, why things are falling on the ground, scientific questions, geographical questions. So whatever question comes in your mind, you have to frame that questions and you have to write it down in your notebook. So isn't it thrilling? This is a thrilling job, isn't it? So you will enjoy it. So by this, I thank you that you have listened and understand my lesson. I hope it is great for you and you will enjoy it. Thank you very much.